Hi, my name is Yuvraj Singh and I'm presenting my research on Maltego, which is a hacking tool. It is a powerful tool developed by Petreva, and for this presentation, I'm running it through Kali Linux. It is a information gathering tool which helps a user to explore relationships among different entities such as people, organization, website, or any internet component such as DNS or IP address, etc. It makes use of a single graph to portray that relationships. Basically, it is a use for testing vulnerabilities of a system. Three main features of Meltego are: firstly, to mine data from different sources with the help of running transforms, and then make use of a single graph to merge and display the relationships in a layout which can be customized. It also allows the user to save the work in MTGL format. So to extract the information, this tool follows client-server mechanism, as the request is sent to the server from client in XML format on a HTTPS server, and then server processes it and responds back. It allows user to select different machines for performing investigation, as you can see in the image. Every machine has specific function for user to choose. This is the main interface of tool. A user carries out investigation either through Run Machine button or by adding an entity to the graph from the entity palette. So after pressing Run Machine, the user needs to select the type of machine he wants to use for investigation. Every machine has different features. I chose footprint 3, which gives very deep information of the domain I'm investigating. So I need to fill the domain, as you can see in this image. I chose 7 is Australia. After selecting the domain, this is the graph area. If we right click on any entity, it opens transform feature and has selected the transform for finding any external links to the domain. So as you can see in this image, it displays the links to a website and a DNS server. So this is the overall view. On the left hand is the entity palette, and on the right side is the details of investigation. Then I ran transforms for looking which other websites are linked to this original website. As you can see, there are many displayed with different purposes. A user can even change the layout of graph to left layout panel. Now I ran transforms for finding out different DNS servers in the website property. Now we have two DNS, as you can see. A hacker can view the linked DNS and may change the setting of DNS server, which will emulate the functions. Now cleared all the entities I don't want and ran transforms for finding email addresses linked to the website. As you can see, the @ icon displayed the email addresses. A hacker could send malicious email to these addresses. This is a zoom in view. I ran transforms to explore IP addresses of different servers, and again by using transforms on one, I found where it is based. As you can see, the location is United States. Further delving deep, I used transforms for Wayback Machine that displayed the archive information of the domain. As you can see, there is some data such as different phone numbers, images, and even names of people, which is not normally shown to a user. There are some limitations of this tool, as it offers 5 different versions, out of which 3 are paid, and transforms being the main part of investigation. So far, for the free version, there are only limited transforms pre-installed on the tool. And also, Petreva company has a policy of taking no responsibility of user if he gets stuck in a difficult situation due to this tool. I think the company can make some improvements, such as create an intro tour of tool features and functions. Also, the free version should provide more entities per transform and more transform pre-installed on the tool. In a nutshell, Maltego is a very powerful tool used for open source intelligence and is very easy and quick to use. Map, Mine, and Marge are some reflective features of the tool. It follows client-server mechanism for information exchange. Also, the free version of Maltego offers limited